If you are technically making good money or you've been getting raises regularly, but you still feel like you're having a hard time figuring out where that money goes or feeling like you have a hard time making ends meet, you might be falling victim to something called lifestyle creep. Hey, I'm Lindsay, financial therapist with Mind Money Balance. I recently wrote a post over on the middle edit about lifestyle creep and it got some really good feedback, so I wanted to share it with you guys here. So for those of you who don't know, the middle edit is a website for women in their 30s and I occasionally guest post on their site. So let's get back to things. What is lifestyle creep? Lifestyle creep is what happens when you start making more money and subsequently spending more money. So this happens gradually as we get raises or bonuses. That thing that used to seem kind of like a treat ends up becoming something that we find ourselves doing regularly. So for example, maybe you and your partner used to do date nights once a month or once every other month at a nice restaurant. And then once you or them got a raise, you start finding yourself going every other week or every week. Another example of lifestyle creep is, say it's time to turn in your car and get some new wheels. Rather than looking at something in your former price range or in your comfort zone, you might look for something that's just on the edge of what you might have felt comfortable spending before because now you have that raise or that money to cover it. So that's what lifestyle creep is, and that's what makes it hard to feel like you're getting ahead when you are getting raises or getting bonuses on a regular schedule. So what do we do about it? How do we make sure that when you make more money, you feel like you're saving and spending more money in a way that feels good to you? Easy. I want you to first plan it out. So ask yourself, what would I do if I all of a sudden had $2,000 or $5,000 or $10,000 just land in my lap? What would you do? Would you maybe upgrade some things around your house? Would you top off your vacation fund? Would you get a dog trainer for a crybaby? Hi, this is who's bugging me. So once you get that raise or you get that bonus, I want you to go back to that thing that you'd written down. And what I want you to do is see if you can use that raise or bonus to fund that dream. And even better, if you have some money left over after funding that dream, that's the time to put it into a savings account or start investing in your retirement. So that's what you need to do to avoid lifestyle creep or lifestyle inflation. I want for you to be able to use your money. I don't want you to be just hoarding it away and not using it, but I want you to use it in a way that is intentional, is mindful, and is also sustainable. If you are not finding yourself in the position of getting a raise that keeps up with the cost of inflation, don't even do anything until you set up an appointment with your supervisor or with your HR rep and talk about how you can make sure that you are on schedule to at least be keeping up with the pace of inflation. So that's it. That's what lifestyle creep is, and that is how you can avoid it intentionally and kind of have your raise and make it work for you. For more videos on financial therapy and for getting your mind and money in balance, be sure to click on that subscribe button and you will be notified as soon as I post new videos. Bye!